What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you two simple tricks you can use to earn Phoneum tokens faster using the Crypto Treasures app. So in the previous video I showed you guys how you can complete simple tasks. You can see that I've actually been working on this application as well, and I'm actually closer to my 20,000 Phoneum withdrawal, minimum withdrawal. So guys, this is actually an update to the 0 to 100,000 Phoneum token challenge that I actually launched. You can check that out in the playlist section, or you can check it out in the description box as well. So basically, this is an application you can use to earn Phoneum tokens. But I found a few ways you can use to optimize the experience that you are having on the application, so you can reach the balance faster. So the first trick that I want to show you guys, it's from the uh, treasures, from the items you get. So if I actually click on this shop and I actually buy a particular treasure box, you see that it comes with a few items. So as you can see guys, there's actually an item here that is called map. So you may be wondering what the item is for, since you cannot cash that out. So I'm going to show you how you can use that to earn more Phoneum tokens as well. So if I come down here, if I scroll down to this bottom corner of this map and I come up here to this map here that shows a gem, you can actually see that I have a few options here once I click the map. So as you can see, it says collect all 10 to redeem. I actually just redeemed this one of these rewards earlier this morning. So as you can see, actually have a large number of coins, as you can see up here. As you can see that I have a large number of coins, and actually I also have more PHT as well. So guys, if you actually want to earn more Phoneum tokens, I recommend that you use this to your advantage as well. So you might have actually earned this and you don't know how to use it, so that's why I'm bringing it up to you guys. So you can see here that after you claim all these items, you can actually withdraw. But since you need only one of each item, as you can see, I only need one sword, one uh one of these microscope, one of these gems to withdraw. You can sell the excess you have so that you can use and generate more coins. Once you get more coins, you can sell those coins and use them to buy the chest. Once you buy the chest, you're going to receive more Phoneum tokens. You're going to receive more items like this, which you can still sell again to generate more coins that you can use to sell and generate more PHT tokens. So that's actually an option, guys. If you click any of these flags, you can actually sell this 40 gold. So as you can see, all uh if I sell all 30 I have for it to remain one, you can see that I actually have a balance of 720 coins, which I can use to buy one chest that I can use to release more Phoneum tokens. So guys, that's that simple. That's actually just a simple trick you can use to earn more Phoneum tokens. So guys, the next thing I want to show you guys is you should actually pay attention to this treasure box. So if you in one of my previous videos I showed you guys how I withdrew about 100 AMSK from this application all for free. So if you actually click on this treasure box, you can see that there are cryptocurrencies that you actually claim together with the Phoneum you receive. As you can see, I actually withdrew this. The withdrawal limit to this is 100. So once you reach 100, you can withdraw, and as you can see, I'm already back up to 42 again, which means that in no longer time I'm going to be withdrawing again. And as you can see, I'm also reaching the withdrawal limit for win and other cryptocurrencies here. So it's just double bonuses for you if you actually check it out once in a while and you actually withdraw them to your wallet. That's actually going to help you increase your earnings as well. So next thing I want to bring you guys attention to is the coins here. This 2x, as I recommended earlier in my previous video, which you can watch in the description box below. You said you guys should actually be doubling this because you're going to get more value for your coins if you do that. So if you do that, you're going to get double of your coins. I actually tested this out live in the previous video as well, so you can check it out as well. So if you actually click on this, you notice that in my previous video I was buying this one after the other, which is actually very slow. You have to click it and buy it individually, when actually you actually have the option to click this and you can input the amount that you want to buy here. So if I just input my cursor here, you can see I can buy as much as I want. If I want to buy 100, I can buy that. If you want to buy 10 10 double spins, I can do that as well. So it's very very simple. It will actually save you much more time than buying it one after the other. So just something I noticed and I wanted to really get attention to. So let's say I want to buy 30 extra. That's actually going to cost me 300 gold, and I'm going to click on that. And as you can see here, it's going to be added up, and I can spin more uh, when the time comes. So guys, that's actually all I wanted to pinpoint to you guys. If you enjoyed the video and you actually got anything out of it, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be making more videos like this in the coming weeks on tips and tricks and strategies that you don't want to miss. And if you want to be a part of that, then make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you click the bell icon down below. That's actually going to send you a notification anytime I make a new video like this. It's actually YouTube is going to send you a notification that I made a new video, so that you can earn more Phoneum tokens like this as well. So guys, I'm going to see you in subsequent videos. Thanks.